Hi guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. In this video, we will guide you on how to buy cryptocurrencies in our platform using fiat money. So let's roll. SimpleSwap offers the possibility to buy and sell crypto using Visa, MasterCard, UnionPay, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Our platform supports 14 fiat currencies, including the most popular ones like the US dollar, euro, and British pound, so you'll definitely find the option that'll work for you. Are you ready to buy some crypto? Let's start. First, select the fiat currency that you would like to pay with in the USENT section using the drop-down list. You will see the most popular fiat currencies at the top of the list, but you can also find the other ones using the search bar. In this example, we will choose the US dollar. Next, enter the amount you would like to spend. Now select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy in the UGET section. You can also use the search bar. In this example, we will show you how to purchase Bitcoin. After that, you will see the estimated amount of BTC you will receive. Please note that there is a minimum amount for every exchange. Click the exchange button to move to the next step. Here, you need to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Please note that there are different address types for each cryptocurrency. Be careful, don't forget to check that you use the correct address. Alright, now all the necessary details for the exchange are entered. Once again, make sure that all the data is correct. If everything is okay, click the Create Exchange button to proceed further. All fiat operations are carried out with the help of our partner, Mercurio. To continue and make your purchase, you need to read thoughtfully and agree with the terms of service and privacy policy provided by SimpleSwap and our partner. Click the Go to Exchange page to move forward. Please note that purchases up to 900 euros in total do not require proof of identity. Still, due to regulatory requirements in some regions, you may be asked to pass verification. Please note that SimpleSwap doesn't keep or have access to your personal data. Click the Buy button to move to the next step. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. The system will send you a confirmation code to the specified address so you can move further. As in this video tutorial, we're purchasing crypto for more than 900 euros during the following steps. We'll show you how to verify identity. Choose your country and document type. Then upload the chosen document to the system. Next, take a selfie with your document in your hand. The document must be the same as you uploaded before. It may take some time to check out provided data. Here, you need to choose the payment method. Then enter your card details and a received confirmation code to proceed next. After that, the purchase process will be started and you'll see information about it on the screen. You will also receive emails about the status of your operation. Usually, the purchase process takes up to 15 minutes, but depending on the network load, it may take a bit longer. When your transaction will be completed, you will see the indicated status as finished successfully. That's it, your purchase is completed. See how simple it is. In case you have any questions left, feel free to ask us in the comments below or contact our friendly support team using live chat or email, which you can find under this video.